Does your Audi have the Audi head-up display option, but you don't know how to activate, deactivate or adjust the Audi head-up display settings? No worries, just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to activate, deactivate and adjust the Audi head-up display. To do so, we use two different Audi models as a demo car, the Audi RS4 and the Audi S6. For Audi models without the touch interface like the Audi RS4, you will find on the left side behind the steering wheel next to the lighting buttons these two buttons that both are for the Audi head-up display settings. To activate or deactivate the Audi head-up display, you will need to click on the silver button. Would you like to adjust the height of the display to your preferred height? Scroll the silver button. You will now see that the Audi head-up display will move itself up or down. Would you like to change the brightness of the Audi head-up display? Click on the black button and scroll the button until you find the preferred brightness. Also in the Audi MMI itself you will find a few options to adjust the Audi head-up display. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Click on this button and go to Driver Assist. Go to Head-Up Display. You can now change the display contents, the brightness, and the display rotation. For Audi models with a fully integrated MMI touch system, the Audi head-up display settings are a little different. You will find the Audi head-up display settings only in the Audi MMI. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Settings. Click on Display and Brightness and go to Head-Up Display. You can now activate or deactivate the Audi head-up display, including the contents. Adjust the display height, the brightness and the display rotation. Thank you for watching this video, thumbs up if you liked this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.